Hi guys, my name is Nirvair and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a slinky. So guys, slinkies are really fun to play with and these are really awesome. So I'm going to be teaching you that and let's go. So what you will need to make a slinky is you will need like a ruler, like coloured paper, so if you want to make it really fun, or you can use just like a white plain paper, and then you will need a marker, scissors and a glue stick. So let's start. So you need to make lines with your ruler, so they have to also be like equal, and I already drew them because it takes me a long time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut them like this. And the cuts have to be equal as well. So just like these stripes, I'm gonna make more stripes same as these, and as I told you guys, they do have to be equal or else might not look nice as these. Okay, so yeah. smiley face and then turn, then like make like mad face. Might turn it over and make a really sad face. Then I might turn over and draw a flower. So guys, when you get to the end, so it's sometimes it gets hard and sometimes it does not. So what you have to do is you have to stick the big part first. And then when you have stuck that, you can either like cut this off or stick it like there. So I would just like cut it off because it would look a bit cool. And then yeah, if you want to, you can draw like something, and I would like to draw a smiley face. And that's how I make a Slinky. So guys, if you have like this how to make a Slinky, please like, subscribe and share, and I hope you enjoy how to make these Slinkies that I made. And guys, also I want to show you how I wrote like words in it. They do show, but they don't show that much, and they do look really cool with words. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, bye.